You know what the number one money rule is? In my experience, when I help out people with their finances, they come to me with so many different theories on how to make more money. They come to me about whether or not to invest, to save more, to do this, to do that, get their credit, borrow other people's money, whatever the case is. They come to me with so many different types of things that they need to do to get their money right. But they always fail to forget the number one rule when it comes to money. And that's why you clicked on this video, to learn the number one rule as it pertains to money. Here it is. A part of all that you earn is yours to keep. That's it. Every other financial concept that can benefit you in life starts with that number one concept. A part of all that you earn is yours to keep. Yep, it's really that simple. In my experience, when I help people with money, nobody comes to you and says, yeah, you know what, I need to be keeping more of my money. They come to me and say, I need to fix my credit. They come to me and say, I need to be investing more. They come to me and say, I'm drowning in debt. But they never say, I need to save more of my money that I earned. Think about it. You're the one that went to work. You're the one that stayed away from your friends and family. You're the one that worked 40, 60, 70 hours a week. You're the one that woke up early, went to bed late, sacrificed time with your friends, everything. But yet, the first thing you do when you get paid is pay a bunch of people you don't like. I never understood that concept. It took me a long time to get to a point where I really fully understand what paying yourself first means. But a part of all that you earn is yours to keep. Let's go through a few of them. So for example, if someone comes up to you and says, forget saving, you need to invest. Well, the only way you can invest is if you have money on you. A part of all that you earn is yours to keep. Let's say you want to save more. Well, to save more, that means that you have to live below your means. A part of all that you earn is yours to keep. Let's say you want to be more charitable. You want to help out your family, you want to help out your community, you want to help out certain social causes that you truly believe in. The only way that you can help them is if you have more money on hand. The only way you have more money on hand is if a part of all that you earn is yours to keep. You want to get better at your credit? Well, you can repair your credit score all you want, but if you ever want to pay off some of that debt, where do you think that extra money is going to come from? A part of all that you earn is yours to keep. It's your money. Think about it. You get paid, you go to work, they pay you a check. Next thing you know, you pay a bunch of bills that you don't even know where they're going to. You never liked them in the first place. I'm assuming I'm talking to people who don't like paying bills. And then the last person on the totem pole, the last person who's a priority in your life when you get paid is you. How's that possible? You pay Verizon, you pay your car note, you pay your mortgage, you pay your insurance, you pay everything under the sun except you. And then at the end of the month, you wonder why you have no money left over because you can't keep any of it because you have too many bills. So make it this a priority in your life. A part of all that you earn is yours to keep. Now, how much should you keep? Well, my golden rule, as well as the rule in The Richest Man in Babylon, which is the book, a book by George Clason, which I recommend to literally everyone, is 10%. Simple math. If you make $4,000 after taxes every month, you should be saving $400. It's that simple. And every month, your account needs to grow. You don't save $400 to then go back in and spend it. No. You save $400, then the next month is $800, then the next month is $1,200, then the next month is $1,600, and it keeps growing by $400 every single month. And watch how your financial situation changes. If you want to invest more money, you need more savings to be able to do that. But let's say you don't have 10% of your income. Let's say you have so many bills. You have student loans, you have car payments, you have a mortgage, you have 2 kids, you have a spouse that's not helping you with your money. What are you supposed to do? I don't care what number you come up with. Do your budget first. Come up with a number that you can save that's reasonable. Don't just save $10 a month, but come up with a number that is a little bit of a sacrifice, but you know that's better for your financial future, and start paying yourself first, because a part of all that you earn is yours to keep. So if you can't do $400 every month, if you made $4,000 every month, shoot for 200, shoot for 150. And every single month you're adding to your savings. And while you're adding to your savings, you're living below your means. And while you're living below your means, you're paying off your debt. And while you're paying off your debt, you're securing your family. And while you secure your family, you start to invest. And when you start to invest, you start to become wealthy. Every financial concept on earth that you ever want to participate in, anything that you've ever heard, using other people's money, blah, 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 all is centered around one concept, that a part of all that you earn is yours to keep. I can tell you this from firsthand. I was able to help pay off my mother's house. I was able to get my mother out of debt and put her in a better situation. I live a debt-free life. And my credit score is still above 800. This ain't bragging to you. This is just the truth. So a part of all that you earn is yours to keep. If you're able to do that, you will start to accumulate wealth. That's my tip for you. If you like these type of videos, cool. Click the like and subscribe button. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. It's @DebtFreeJoel. It's the same name as YouTube. We put a ton of information on there on how to save, invest, and most importantly, how to be charitable. So until next time, just remember, you got food at home.